Here's how to make a remote control 3D printed Minecraft lantern. So let's set up this Minecraft lantern. So what you need to do is print out all of the pieces. So for the metallic parts, I use a silver matte PLA. For the wood pieces, I used a wood matte PLA. And for the flame, I used a crystal PLA from Hojar. And I'm telling you, this filament is absolutely awesome. You can see how beautiful the spool looks right here. And you can pick it up right now if you go to the link in my bio under Hojar Crystal PLA Flame. And for all the peg pieces, I just use black PLA. So let's start by putting it together. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull off all these little peg pieces. This might take a moment. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and connect the top piece. So I'm gonna go ahead and put two of these little pegs in here. Put one right here. Snaps in perfectly. And then another piece right here. Looks great. Now let's go ahead and put the top piece on. This thing snaps together beautifully. And it seems like it's extremely sturdy, like it's not going anywhere. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the next pegs in. Now what you can also do is use some super glue. That way it never pops apart. And it doesn't seem like it's going to because you're not gonna be putting a lot of stress on it, but just in case. See, that one's a little loose, so I would probably put some super glue on there. Next, we're gonna slide on this wood piece. Oh, there we go. It's actually looking pretty cool. And now we're gonna do the next top piece. So we're gonna put some more pegs in here. That one's nice and tight. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and put this top piece on top. And snap it together. Oh man, that's tight. So now we're gonna go ahead and put the base on like this. Slides in perfectly, look at that. Okay, and we're also gonna put some pegs in. Right there, right there, right there, and lastly right here. Now I wouldn't glue these pieces together because if you have a rechargeable LED T-candle light, you'll definitely need to recharge it. So we'll go ahead and put this piece on. This piece on. Now we're putting in the frames of the wood. Okay, last piece in. Perfect, it's almost completely done. I forgot to mention, you do need some kind of LED T-candle light. Now, this is a rechargeable one that I purchased off Amazon. You can actually get this from the link in my bio. It comes with 6 different lights and a remote that you can have. That you can turn on a timer. You can make it flickering or non-flickering. It's totally sick. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm gonna go ahead and put the T-candle light in there. So as you can see. Okay, now we're gonna put the final pegs in here. This. And there's the last peg. Now we're just gonna pop the top on. So here's the finished product, and I'm telling you, this thing looks so sick in person. I see you noticing my Minecraft torch. If you wanna learn how to build that, go to the link right up there to check it out. So here's the moment of truth. Let's test it out. Let's turn off the light. Ready? Engage flame. Whoa, that's so sick. We turn on the flickering. Dude, that's tight. Look at that. It'd be awesome if we printed out a chain and just hung it from up here, huh? I think that's the next thing we're gonna do. As always, you can find all the files featured in my video in the link in my bio. And don't forget to check out 3D Hojar Filament.